Yo, 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 chat. Yo, 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 chat. Turn me up, chat. What it do, chat? What we doing, chat?
Morning, D. Are
I
you changing your name now
think we straight.
officially? I gotta get a pretty cool license plate, chat. So we'll see what we come up with.
I think we straight with it.
Market
Got a
target
minute till
is
market open
low.
here.
The daily high is 25,472. So we really get momentum to the upside, chat. We're probably headed up there. But I would love some kind of pullback. But we got about 30 seconds left. We're getting ready for the market open. We got to see how this thing opens up.
Mm-hmm.
So I
What?
like the pullback that we're getting.
What's the
So maybe
potential
we can come
inside
back
day here
here
if we stay above 25, 100?
14 EMA that's sitting at 25,143, or maybe a little bit lower, chat, and then we expand higher. Remains to be seen. So,
Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm.
all right, here we go, chat. Market's open.
Let's get it. Let's
All
get it,
right,
chat.
so now we're bouncing. Oh man,
He said crypto,
he
motherfuckers.
said it. Nice,
Crypto, 5,000% return.
nice. So PW,
He
big
said
money.
crypto. Are you fucking kidding me? How am I so fucking good?
Oh
Why
man.
does nobody believe me?
So
Are you fucking kidding me right now?
What?
cashing out on Kalshi, guys. Let's
I
go.
just paid for the G-Wagon. I just paid the rental fee. The daily rental fee.
Oh man.
What's up with this dude?
Oh man.
What's up with Pat, bro? He tweaking early. I did see Trump was talking about something though.
Oh man. Yeah,
Hold
guys.
on, wait a second.
Hi, I'm Yusuke, a robotics engineer at Visa. This is Flippy. Flippy is leading the future of AI kitchens, and it's not just a prototype. Our goal is to skip.
I was trying to find that Trump thing.
I wrote this down here today that I like the TQQs against 51.25. So we just made a high of 51.40. So I'm going to be in it. We will average into this at 51.25, and then we're going to go against that high. So if that happens, that happens, and we'll get stopped out. But for right now, I think that's going to be something that I don't mind figuring this all out. You know, the EU. I don't know what the comeback's going to be here today, but this market.
So right now we're here. We got to push up. Selling off here first 2 minutes. Just waiting and watching right here, trying to get some trend kind of going here, and we're gonna be all right. Right now we're above the VWAP, so we're definitely we're more bullish right now. See if it holds. Below the VWAP on the 15 as well. So yeah, let's just see if this holds here. Got 27 minutes on the hourly, so we got a couple more minutes to finish off this hourly here.
Yeah, I don't know, like, where we at?
And now we're gonna see what's popping.
We're at 350 likes, guys. Do me a solid. I know we started out a little late today. So do me a solid if you haven't already hit the like button. We've had a good streak of basically over 1,000 likes right at 9:30. I know we started a little delayed today. So if you haven't already hit the like button, if you're not subscribed to the channel, you know what to do.
You
Gotta
know
let
what
this
to
5 minute candle
do.
play out. Show, guys. I appreciate the support.
You know what to do.
Just trying to be a little patient here. Waiting for this 5 minute candle. We got about a minute and 40 seconds left. Got to start mapping out the open range high and low in the first 5 minute candle.
Um, yeah. Bouncing off the VWAP here.
So that the two black lines on the chart, guys, that's the 5 minute ORB. It's kind of setting up here. I'll adjust the higher to low if it gets there right a little bit. Got about 58 seconds left. Interesting that we're kind of bouncing right off the 14 EMA so far, so that's bullish. If you're a bull, you'd love to see that, but meaning that we're respecting, we're going to possibly have a trade continuation to the upside, higher highs, higher lows as an example. So we'll have to see how this plays out.
Got 20 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Just to see how it kind of closes here. About 15 seconds.
So we're at 1,000 likes, guys. 934. I appreciate that. Wow. That's actually shorter than it's been because we started late. Let's go. I appreciate the support, guys. All right, so 5-minute ORB set. And I want to see how we react off this 14 EMA chat. See how we're kind of bouncing back up so far. So that level, 25,150.25, that's the level of interest if you're a bull. You do not want to see price back below the 14 EMA perfect, right? You want to see expansion back to the upside. So got to be patient here. We'll see how this sets up, chat. Nothing to do so far for me. I'm going to see if we're going to respect the bottom of that 5-minute RB or we're going to break below it. So got to be patient.
I want to take that.
We're going to dump. Yeah, we could. Very well. This could be one of those 15-minute ORB setups today, chat, just because of the volatility that we've had. But
Morning, baby.
I took a shower first. I smoke first.
I thought you had already what's the name last night? Bro.
lower high, yeah. It could be. That's what I'll wait for. Need to see how this sets up, chat. Got a few pumps to the upside. All right, so we're trying to break below the.
This hourly's getting a wick here, but it could be filled here.
Got to restart the whole thing. Unfortunately, Nico, that happens, right? So all you can do is try to figure out what went wrong and try to.
I just don't like how it's weak right here, but that don't really mean nothing.
Money on trade evals better than PA. I passed it easily. Try to probably slow down a little bit, and probably want to slow down and basically look for A+ setups. See how we're reacting here, chat? That's why I didn't want to get short right at the low. See how we're reacting right back the opposite direction in between the EMAs. So that's why I'm saying I gotta be patient here. Because so if this candle closes, see how we got these setups, chat? You got a triple bottom, you got a higher low. So this could be forming like another higher low, and then we expand higher to take out 257 level or higher.
Hey, well, I kind of missed that entry there. I was kind of looking at this area, but I wasn't confident in it.
I'm gonna try a long, chat. I'm in the long. Entry was from 205.75. I want to see if we can get up here and test 257, chat. Or higher, possibly, right? I see the momentum, so I'm trying to ride the momentum to the upside. So you can kind of notice how we had. I think this is a higher low to go, a higher high. Yeah, higher low. Sorry to pump up and take out these highs, guys. 256 or higher. You had a triple bottom on the Trump speech. You had expansion to the upside, and I'm gonna see if we can get up to these highs, right? thought process. We'll see what happens here. We were up almost 10 points. We got a pullback, so you gotta love it. It happens, guys. A lot of volatility today.
No bullshit. Your shit will get wicked to shit. You will get wicked to shit if you don't have your joint right today, boy.
You got 40 seconds left on this candle, guys.
Gotta turn this joint to the 5-minute.
We'll see. Could it pull back? Absolutely. Just depends, right? But I'm just trying to ride the momentum that was on the chart. And you want to pop to kind of take out 240 or higher.
Order filled.
171. I'm down at 170. Stop at 171. Need a big push here. Oh, stopped out.
Order filled.
That was fast. I mean, that's what I be saying, bro. I don't know. I don't like. How long do I wait? Well, I guess I should have just waited an extra fucking second. It would have saved me $100. Well, I try to get in off this wick right here. We had this kind of consolidation off the VWAP, and then we came up, retested 14 on the top side. That's like my entry kind of candle. But if I would have let this close, I would have seen that was not gonna play out. So it's all good. I just missed it. Could be definitely going lower here now because we didn't respect this this 14 and this VWAP touch right here. We was gonna go up. We should have respected this level. So I'm looking shorts now, but it's early though. It's early because the EMAs are still up and everything. So we'll just have to this gonna be a slow day. $130, $135. So yeah, you have wanted to push up off this VWAP area here, off these two wicks, but we didn't get that. We didn't get it. We didn't get it. Never know it doesn't work until it doesn't work, unfortunately.
We're below the 5-minute ORB. We're kind of bouncing right off the 50 EMA, so I see that. And I might look for, wait for the next setup, guys.
What a reaction. What a reaction that was. That's some shit they be using. Like ORB, I don't know it. I mean, I don't really use it. I think it just means like back in the range, really.
He's still speaking, so I'm gonna take that off, and I'll basically kind of scalp.
There's 2 minutes left.
Order filled.
Ooh, I got a 174.
The longs are for me in play, guys. Again, right? I like the longs here based off that reaction. Gotta be careful though, guys. He's still speaking, but I think that we're gonna pop.
That is a wick though. I ain't gonna lie.
That was just a heavy retracement.
Trap me out, stop me out, of course, and then go higher. I mean, what a beaut. I mean, what a fucking beaut, honestly. I want to low-key get out, though, and get a better entry, because I feel like my entry's ass. But what if?
Notice the bullish reaction, chat. So the highs, 253. That was my initial target on the first long, and pretty much got snapped, right? No momentum in the market. A lot of volatility right now. A lot of volatility, guys. So just waiting to see how this 5-minute candle closes. You got about 20 seconds left. See how it's pushing here? This is what I was looking at, guys. So you just had a heavy retracement. So now we'll find it hard to believe that we don't pop up here to 250 or higher.
Order filled.
So above.
All right. Take a little profit there. We could be going up here, but I really do want to pull back. I'm not even gonna lie. Feel like the 180 area.
See what happens here. PCE was at 10 o'clock. Yeah. You gotta check this. See if that's Yeah, you got pending home sales at 10. See that.
All right, 15-minute candle is done here, and it's ugly. And it is ugly.
Remember, there's a lot of volatility in the market right now, so anything is possible. A lot of volatility. But I think if we get going, it's gonna pump up to 256 or higher.
$189. This high right here is kind of stopping us.
A lot of volatility. And we got to sell back now. So far, right? Some exhaustion. This is a 5-minute chart. We're kind of wicking off the that high that was put in. 15-minute chart. Previous candle was bullish. Pushing chat. Quick long I took, guys, for a scalp. That was a quick scalp, guys. Trying to hold that through the pop. All right, there you go. Right. Entry was 214. It put me in.
I really look strong.
All right, I'm gonna take that off. So some of these are quick, guys.
So yeah, pretty much gotta wait for the next setup here now. We're out of this move. Unfortunate, you know.
So if you took that trade, you're in profit.
It's up 30 points. So we're gonna see right now if we get this breakout here or we're just gonna consolidate. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I think we should be good. That's a nice little 4-hour candle.
So, yeah, I'm not guys. It's today. It's You're trading when the president's talking. There's no tilt, chat. Like it's just a lot of volatility in the market. You got to be aware of that, right? If you took that long, guys, drop a W in the chat. You probably made if you caught that pop for when I kind of said that was a 23-point pop to the upside. So see a lot of W's. And that's going off the 5-minute chart. So
Hey, what are we doing?
131, and you got a huge pump back to the the opposite direction. So that's telling me that bulls are trying to step in and take price higher. So that was the thought process on that. So
Up and then the nice little, the little fake out wick. What a beaut.
what's up, man? I know Ginger. Yeah, you got some shirts, right? You and the wifey. Oh, they're sorry. Maybe I spoiled the surprise. They're on the way.
Terrible.
Yeah, guys. Remember that level I called out, chat? 25,258.
Yep, we're there. We are there.
So I would be surprised if that level doesn't get popped, chat. Right? Those highs. Trap some shorts. And then head higher. Just my opinion, guys. Right? That's how I'm reading the market right now. You had a retracement down below the EMAs on the 5-minute chart, 14 and 50 EMA, guys. And there's the pop, chat. There's the pop, baby. Right? There's the pop to the upside, guys.
We was in this move, just couldn't hold it, to be honest. Our entry was ass. We caught this top wick. I thought this was going to come down to the 14. I didn't want to give my profit back, so I just took profit, I don't know what you got to do sometime. Like, for example, this one right here. Like, I seen this one, how we wicked this, and we gave that whole wick back. So I was like, that's not happening to me. I'm not letting that happen to me. So, that's what happens when you try to protect profits. So now we just got to wait for the next move. Been waiting, to be honest. We already tried to catch this. What was this? This was the song we tried to catch twice, right? How many times was that? What's today? 21st. Yeah. And we got stopped out. But I did get some shitty ass entries though. Like this one was 95. Like fuck. 95 at 940. Like, how did I?
So for me, long term play chat, and I think
No, the entry. No, exit.
We're right at the 1 hour chart. We're right at 277.
939. Yeah, I caught the damn top. I caught the goddamn top. All right, so we wait for the next wave now. To be honest, hourly's about to close here soon. Very strong. 4 hour got a wick on the bottom. We should be getting good longs here. We should get good longs here.
No bottom wick on 15-minute candle. Yeah. But see, there's a pump to 280. When would be the perfect entry, D-Money? I think right now, I think we're headed to 300. So we had a huge retracement, guys, and you saw that. Like, remember, I'm not perfect either, chat. Sometimes there's a lot of volatility today with Trump speaking. So that first trade, I think I was up probably like 12 points. But I wanted the pump, and you got a huge retracement. Right? So I basically wanted the pump.
What are you doing
Tonight?
You got work.
Once I saw that price was
I could probably. I could try to go out early. What you need to be up there tonight?
Hey, I got my fucking church at 11 and class. By the time I get out of class, church out of class. But then, let me see.
Back green, let's go, yeah. Yeah, guys, and that's where, like, I just basically...
I got cram jam,
right on the
46.
But you're
Then at 6:30 it's like Greek shit. So I really can go from like.
We had the scout longs when I saw them respecting the EMA.
I really can leave at like 5.
Leave at 5? Oh yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna have to leave at like 4:30. Get there at 5.
Shit, you about to drop me off. Yeah, you drop me off right at time.
So what time I'm gonna drop it off?
You gotta leave at 4:30, right?
Well, yeah, this is at 4. This is 46. But I was gonna leave at there at 5.
Probably do that.
It would have been long, guys, right? Like, so that's where you, and to be honest.
So yeah, chat. We just waiting and watching right now. The break didn't happen. This wave, the drop, and then the pop, and now we're just waiting on the next wave. The wave? Does it? I don't know. Does it come in right here, right? Or does it come in? I don't know. I don't think so. I think this is probably the only one, especially because we getting a nice size like move off of it. I'm definitely thinking more support and resistance, which is at this 245, 250 area, 240, 250. 240s to 250s. So that's kind of what I'm looking at as far as trying to get this next setup here. Hourly is about to close in 4 minutes. So yeah, just waiting. Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead.
Blue spikes. I did the same thing, but I'm back up now. Yeah, nice. Yeah, guys. I mean, I called out. So if you kind of listen to the levels that I kind of called out for longs, I saw Steven Rosario took a nice long and all that too as well, right? So I called out the 300 level. I felt good about the 300 level getting hit, and you just hit 301. That right, and we're still pumping. I'm just waiting now. Like, I don't see a reason for us to, maybe we get a retracement, but I think we head higher towards 472. I think that could be in the cards today, guys.
What?
So I'm just waiting. We got 10 o'clock news. I'll wait for this candle.
This is a nice candle, though. I mean, yo. The wick out was nasty, but I did get some. I got a shitty ass entry, though. I definitely got a. I tried to catch this right here. This was what I played off of, that 14 touch. But man.
There's the pump. We're still pumping. 315. And sometimes you're just a little early, guys.
Hell yeah. Just a little early for sure. And then I was late as fuck, so I couldn't hold. But then when I got in on the actual winner at 174, 945, it was right here. Hold on, that's when I got out. That's when I got out. We'll trade recap later, but yeah, this is what I'm looking for right now. Probably come down to like this 240, 250 area. But I don't know, Chad. If it just goes up like this, I don't really too much have nothing to do for it. Should have just held that when you seen this wick. But I mean, I seen this wick get give back so many times. We could have easily came back and wicked off the 160 area. You know, I was up at like 190. $170. Yeah, 170. 943. So yeah, I got in like right up in, no way. That was not my entry, chat. Was it? Entry price 25? No.
No need to have. I don't see why I would pay for.
Okay, maybe I fucked that up. Wait. Is this the one that I won? Wow. 174 to 204. Yeah. When we got stuck up in this area. Just not confident, you know? I got stopped. I don't know. That was just actually, now I'm thinking about it. This was actually fucking beautiful. 943 at 174. Like, hold on, did I really do that? Wow. Wow. I can't believe I fucked that up. I got in at 174. Look, this is what I'm looking at right here, chat. Look at this shit. The last one.
So now I would want a bottom width.
What the fuck? 25 174 at 9:43 entry time, which was 9:43. This candle. 9:43 is this candle. Check the time at the bottom. And then 174 is right here. Like, honestly, this was beaut. That was actually crazy that I did that. I didn't know I thought I was in at the 90s for some fucking reason. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I messed that one up right there. I ain't gonna lie, chat. That was a mess up on my part. Damn, that was an entry. I mean, it's at the 76s now, but
I want some kind of retracement. Ideally. Doesn't mean I'm gonna get it, but I would love a retracement.
I messed that one up. So yeah, chat. Just waiting now, man. I don't even know if we're gonna get another setup, but we definitely gotta wait for the next wave. So right now, this is still the same wave, you know. Waiting and watching, waiting and watching, waiting and watching. Waiting and watching, waiting and watching. All right. Well. Hold on, man.
We're just
Yep.
hanging out. There's nothing going on right now for long for me. I don't have a long yet set up. Now, if we get back above
So it's still
342,
just here, man.
I will probably love to get long.
Still just here, man. I was honestly looking, like I said, I've been looking at this. If we're gonna get back to this 250 area, 260, 240, like that range, but I'm not too sure. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know.
Yeah, he finally stopped. It's weird though because
I don't know, Chad. I don't know if we get it.
he's on this morning.
We got the hourly wick too. I thought that was gonna be a little bit more, so maybe we go now.
Yeah.
Got it on the 4 hour, so maybe that's it. Just broke out that high. I don't know, but maybe we just missed it, chat. We just missed it, and we had it, so can't really be mad about it if we missed it. To be honest, not really too mad. I mean, like I said, I got like after this wick out here,
346.
like as soon as I enter, I mean,
So new high in the session.
even here though, I mean, I got fucking instantly killed. So, you know, my psychology was maybe slightly off on reading this.
I would love like a higher low to be established, guys, on a 5-minute chart.
But I don't know why.
Comes down and puts in a higher
Honestly, I didn't just set my stop with this, man. I mean, it was a lot though. It was a lot. Like the wick was a lot. That was 50 points.
After that retrace.
It was 50 point. It was a 50-point stop. I mean, it was a lot. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't want to give that back.
I'm gonna try long, guys. Entry was
So
51.
maybe my psychology was a little messed up.
We can pop up here.
Cause like I said, the wick was all the way down here. Look at the low. The low was 127. I got in at 174.
There's over 10. Let's go, baby.
You know what I'm saying?
15 points, guys. Let's go, guys.
Guys, the money be killing that shit. It's rocketing though, man. I don't know, chat. Like I said, we might. I don't know. We just waiting and seeing what's going on in this hour. Shit, it's early. Still kind of early to be honest. So we're gonna see what's popping. We got a nice little green day, so you know, worst come to worst, we walk away with the green symbol. It's small, but you know, it's green. I think I'm talking about I love you. So yeah, man. Just waiting and watching for our setup, man. I ain't trying to chase this. I'm not really trying to get into something I'm uncomfortable with, because obviously, you see, I can't even hold it, so it don't even matter. It don't even matter. I have to be comfortable with it, and even with this, man, I'm really upset with myself with this, because this is beautiful. Like I don't know why I got out. If like I said, it was 50 points, but I could even gave it to the bottom of these like EMAs and stuff, the VWAP and stuff. But this is like how it comes above, like even the EMAs, how they come above the VWAP, then they come down, but they don't cross. Like, that's my shit. That is literally my shit right there. That's what I love to trade. I just think, like I said, bro, my bias, even my bias to longs, like fucking, I don't really have I'm definitely short bias, which is fucking the opposite way to be. I don't want to do that. I definitely want to change that shit, because the stock market is meant to go up. So like it's meant to go up. You know what I'm talking about? Like, so I gotta get my confidence in this shit. Cause if this probably played to the downside, I probably would have held that out. I would have gave that bit the wick. But on longs, I ain't giving it the wick. Like, I don't know what the fuck it is. What the fuck it is, man? What the fuck it is? Besides it being 50 points, the wick was fucking long. Like I said, the wick was long, chat. That's why I said, even if I got in at like 74, like I got in like right here. So yes, I could have gave it. I could have even went break even, because I got out on this candle, 204. So I could have went break even, right? Or I could have gave it to the EMA, right? But all that shit looked way better in hindsight. Now, what if this shit would have motherfucking just took all this shit the hell out? Then what? And broke this low. Then what? Then fucking what? Then what the fuck we gonna be talking about, right? Like it all look way easy all after the fact. I'm trying to tell you. But even on the 1 minute, how we couldn't really, I mean, we got up here and we kind of like, I don't even know, like, because we didn't really struggle here. I mean, we made one little red candle at these highs right here, at these wicks, but didn't really struggle. One red, blew through that. One red, blew through that. Like, this on the 1 minute, so we're flying through this shit. Like, I don't know why I just didn't trust my shit right there. That's all I'm saying. And them be the worst ones when you beat your damn self. Like the NASDAQ gonna fuck you up. Like you ain't got no, you ain't really got nothing like this. Like me getting wicked out like that. That's just NASDAQ fucking me up. Like okay, the NASDAQ fucked me up. Like when I tried to get in right here and I got in off this wick, it just dumped. Like the next kid, like okay, they fucked me up. Okay, my entry was shit. Okay, got it. But when you beat yourself on an entry like this, when it's just got bop bop bop, just hit the V EMA bop, we uptrending. Them the worst. So them the ones that I just like. I really, I go back on and be like, all right, It works. It works. It's just I got to just chill. It works. I just gotta just trust my shit. That's why you gotta go back and just make sure. Like, hold on, this was really nice. So yeah, we just waiting, man. I don't know if we're gonna get anything. We look like we're doing some type of consolidation right here, which is nice. What it leads to, I don't know, to be honest. We're getting a wick on the 15 minute. Like, we don't want no crazy wick, right? Because we still like, okay, like, you know what I'm talking about? Like, they starting to sell shit out the highs now. So we ain't trying to get no crazy wick because I want to get some of that. I think we uptrending though. Like, after this 4 hour, like, look at the last 4 hour. Like, that's bullish, brother. I don't give a fuck what you talking about. Took out the low sweep gone. Like, that's bullish, brother. We going up somewhere. We're not stopping right here, I don't think. We might even be go fill the gap, maybe. I don't know, but yeah, no way. Yeah. So I definitely think we're long, and I think this is gonna be a nice little setup. Like it's gonna be it's gonna be like a little setup. So let's see, man. Let's see. It's early. It's 10:22. We got like 2 more hourly candles we like to play with. Or this one and another one. Really. So yeah, got 37 minutes on this one. Like, let's make some noise. Let's make some noise. Let's make some noise. Let's listen to D Money. So the hell you talking about?
That happens, right?
Shout out D Money PW, man. Them niggas is doing they thing over there. I ain't lying.
Let's go.
They doing they thug thizzle for sure, for sure. No lie. I watch them niggas every day, man.
Got pumped and it was effective, chat. Stomach pump was effective. You know they say that it's not always effective, but apparently his stomach pump was effective, guys. So shout out to the
Bro, them boys be talking about the wildest shit.
He's back.
Them boys be talking about the wildest shit. I'm gonna put them up over here while we wait to see what's going on.
I'm up 5,000 times.
I'll put them right here, actually.
25K Ash Pool. Nice. Let's go. $1,660 times 5. $1,600 one account. Nice. Yeah, guys. So
I do it like this.
I don't take my job for granted. And what I mean by that is I'm always trying to take the best setups, guys. I'm not perfect. I'm not a robot.
100%.
You can kind of see, like, we're building, right? The market's kind of building to go higher. And we just put in a high on our previous 5-minute candle of 25,377. So keep the 400 level in mind, chat. I kind of called that level out based off the 4-hour chart. And the 1-hour chart actually super clear. That's an area of interest, chat. because the last time we were at 25,000, like 427.
That's what I'm saying.
Kind of sparked a little sell-off.
That's exactly what I'm saying. We're up in these areas too, so we don't want nothing crazy, but
if the bullish momentum continues, we're gonna head up to 400 level plus.
yeah, 100%. That's what I'm saying. So right now we're getting some type of consolidation, I feel like here.
Yeah, so these are lucid accounts, 150K accounts.
So I don't know, man. Maybe we I don't know. Just gotta wait.
Yeah, we trade Monday through Friday live. So this is your first time rocking out with Deep Money. I appreciate the support. Do me a solid and hit the subscribe button.
Hit the subscribe button.
We are live. Hit the notification bell. And
But yeah, man. Yeah, we just waiting and watching right now. To be honest, it is moving up. It is moving up, but it's doing these shallow pullbacks and it's grinding up. So could do that too. It can honestly do that too. Like it's nothing saying it really got to give us nothing really too crazy. I just don't like really using just the 1 minute. I like using the 1 minute as far as like at the beginning, like entry, but not really like after, like not like in compilation with the 5. You see what I'm saying? Like we ain't really, the 5 is all the way down at 282. So I feel like we either got to do some consolidation to move the 5 up. To like at least get a little bit of something here, and then we can probably get a move then. That's what I'm thinking. So we might grind up like and then move the 5 up and then do like a fast little move. Something like that. I don't know. Who knows? It can look like anything.
yeah, this is EQ. So if you're on TradingView, you just punch in EQ, and it's the one with the exclamation point behind it. This is EQ. Yeah, I would probably lean.
And it's gone. Like it's gone really, like. And I feel like maybe it has to be. Like I don't feel like it really can give this area no type of love. Like it can't really give it no, but I think it ain't got no choice. But I do feel like it want to break through here. I don't know. We gonna have to see how this hourly turned out, but based off this 4 hour though.
Watch the sell off. Yeah, it could. I mean, you gotta keep in mind the higher time frame. So the 30 minute chart is gonna close in about 2 minutes and 10 seconds, chat. So we do have like that. I kind of use the 30-minute chart as like a higher time frame. So if there's a 30-minute candle closing, chat, or whatever.
I do not use the 30 for real. I use the 1, 5, 15, and then hour and 4 hour for my long terms. Well, really, like you know, the long term for the daily, for the bias. But I like the 15. Really, I use the 15 really honestly just for the 15-minute break to see how that candle's looking, to kind of give us like a bias of what like way we trying to go. Sometimes it gives you something, sometimes it doesn't. So this was the first 15-minute candle today. It didn't give us anything. I mean, nah. Yeah, I'm tweaking it. Yes, it did. Gave us this nice ass wick to the bottom. I thought it was this indecision, but that was 9:15. So this was 9:30 to 9:45, and then yeah, Gonzo off the VWAP. See how we got above the VWAP here, wicked off. I fucking love the VWAP, dog. That shit's undefeated. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, well, nothing's really undefeated, but that shit's good. Especially at the beginning of like the beginning of the trend where they trying to pick like which way to go, like it's real powerful because you might not see that bitch for the rest of the day. Almost certain. Actually, it's probably if you seeing it again, it's probably consolidation for the rest of the day. To be honest, like after this first little set, probably just gonna be 5 minute, 1 minute EMAs, most likely, especially if it's a strong trend like today. Like we're just using a 1 minute 9. Like this is very strong. This is very, very strong. 1 minute 9. 9 EMA. This is the 5 minute 14 EMA. So it's very strong. It's not even coming back to the 14. That's what I'm saying. It's Gonzo. It's Gonzo, Ronzo. But like I said, I just don't like really using the 9 as like solely for entries by itself. Nah, not by itself. Nah, I can't. Do it. No risk, no Rari. Like, damn, this shit is gone. It is what it is. I'm not even concerned in chasing this, to be honest. I'm not chasing it, that's for damn sure. Like, I gotta get something I like. If not, no, I do. See, I bought in my chat. When you that it's a, you know the saying, like the next day ain't gonna make you the next day ain't gonna make you rich. Just be like, just wake up and do the same thing. Just try to be better. And hopefully they'll be adding up. But yeah, so I don't be like, when you start thinking like that, like the next day really ain't like, even like today ain't gonna make me rich, and tomorrow's not gonna make me rich. And put those dates together and they're not gonna make me rich. So it's kind of like, you just wake up and try to be that 1% better. Like I said, we're green, so it'll be something. It'll be something.
Shout out to Ginger. So Ginger hooked me up with her insurance guy, chat. Progressive was trying to tax me for the G-Wagon, and I called her guy, and guys, it's not much cheaper. It's a little bit more expensive than what I was paying for the Honda, chat, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. It's like $150 more per month. So I'm like, sign me up, please. I love you.
Dude, stupid. Pat bought him a G-Wagon, bro. Them boys be doing the most. Let me see if they put that on thing. I know they did. Because I think I seen it the other day. Look at this shit, man. While we just watch this shit just go to the moon. See if we get anything.
Yeah, this is gonna be pretty wild. I mean, this has got to be the craziest thing I think. We got our favorite friend here, buymeking.com. Stickers probably but in the so hey, layering, he's gonna start looking. So you tell him. You got about 8 months to find one.
Yeah.
Oh man!
Hold on. Nah, he really didn't know, gang. Hold on, chat. He really.
You got enough room for everybody? You got enough room?
Look.
Oh man!
Damn. Damn. That motherfucker is clean.
And I'm giving you the G-Wagon. I'm giving you the world, baby.
Bruh, PW's a legend. I ain't even going back, bro. Both of them, I ain't gonna lie, they doing their thing, bro. Like I said. Damn. He said, "Oh my God." He fucked up on that shit. He about to cry. Oh God. Oh God. I would have fucking cried too. Nigga on Jesus.
One stipulation. You just gotta give me 1 year.
I would have cried too on Jesus Christ.
Mediate for 1 year.
Wow.
I can't have you driving that Honda, around. My guy, the guy that's like on the live stream driving a Honda.
God, I can't believe this, man. That's
He got plenty of room in the back for the baby.
Oh my God.
Hey man.
Man, guys, I love you. I love you.
Love you.
Thank you so much.
Hey man, no, it's
Man, oh my
I
God.
was telling the editor earlier how crazy it is. Like, what a cool fucking feeling to be able to do this.
Car. Are you kidding?
No, it's sick. Well, he's on the stream the other day. He was like, "Man, bro, what's cool is the rate." Yeah.
Bro, that joke got me crying, bro. That joke is funny as
And then
hell.
I was like messaging him like, "What about red interior?"
Man.
You're like red.
Damn. He said, "Are you kidding me?" I know D Money low key, cause D Money's so like,
Wow.
bro, he's so like down to earth, bro.
This is just the beginning. Maybe by the end of the year, get another.
Like he don't know what to say.
Now the problem is I gotta buy fucking ginger one. I need a G-Wagon.
On G.
Hey, I got 3 G-Wagons.
Fuck it.
Wow.
Fuck it.
It's a 6-spec.
Might as well.
$40,000 MSRP car.
Yeah, this car is crazy.
It's not.
That bitch. I ain't the specs on that joint is huge.
PW, thank you.
Hey, the point of this whole thing is
Got that joint the right tent. Gotta have the right tent for that thing. That thing looking
You're a
beaut.
good person. You got a good head on your shoulders.
Nah,
We're
100%
happy to have
though.
you here at the VDH. I know everyone's like, "Oh man,
You ain't
so
lying.
fine, D-Money," but like you said, you're lucky that we found each other.
Yeah.
We found each other.
100%.
It's Ebony and Ivory.
Yeah.
I've met a lot of people, and I've talked to a lot of people over the years. And
Yeah, bro. So, yeah. Epic. And you see how D Money be talking, like, he just be like, guys. Like, that's the hypest he get. Guys. That's how he get hype. He ain't doing a PW running around the motherfucking. He running around, starting up the con, your dumb ass. He riding around, starting up the con, some more shit. For real. This shit is gone though, bro. I don't know what it. It's just gone. It's already to the next level. GG's. I don't even know. Well, honestly, chat, to be honest, we had the trade that we was supposed to have, and we probably wouldn't even have gotten no more. We still wouldn't have gotten one from previous. Like, we still wouldn't have got one from 947 when we took that last entry. That was the last entry that was possible. So, yeah, man, I don't know. It's looking like one of them days Trump took this bit to the moon skeezy. Trump was talking today. I was trying to find that. I think it's off now, but is he still talking? No way. Nah, he's not still talking. That was like an hour ago. He still could be talking. They do got to talk for a long time.
I can say 2 things about that. First, on the narrow point about whether or not a matter of counsel can create a factual dispute in this context, that's the holding of this court in Codd against Felder, where the court said that suggestions of counsel are not enough. It's the party who has to do it. So there were representations of counsel there, and the court held that wasn't. That's an agreed proceeding. This is an informal proceeding.
What the hell is this? So I guess I can't find it. But yeah, probably gonna be done for real, chat. I mean, there's really nothing going on. I guess we can wait for the next hourly, but just gonna be waiting. I mean, we done went up. Pooh, what is that, like 1.5% almost?
Wait.
Yeah. I don't know. Let me see what the money talking about though. Yay. I mean, Jesus. What a day. What a day to hold, right? So funny like that. Funny in the hood like that, man. The day you don't hold, boy, it just go. But it rarely goes. I don't know. It's a weird thing they do. Nah, I be going like this a couple. It'll do this, but they ain't did like this since like. Let me see. 2 candles back to Beezy, B to Beezy like this. 2 candles like this, B to B. Let's go look. Let's go look. B to B. So let me see what. Kinda. Had a lot of volatility. Definitely, it wicked all the way down, wicked all the way up. So, kinda. What was this? January 26th. So we got one right. No, that don't really count. But this was a fat, just one by itself. But this is usually how the second one looks. We're just doing shit because the market's just Yahtzee. My, what a day to hold. Ooh, strong, boy. Boy, strong as a ox. Strong as a ox, boy. Getting hungry.
So keep in mind, guys, 472 is yesterday's high.
This is going nutty-do.
Well, I mean, you got to look at what happened on the
NASDAQ could be like, nigga, what? I'll fill this whole gap. They could though. I mean, realistically, that's what, about 150 points away. Shit, we did that. We did what? 170 right here. 130 right here. Might it's just another candle.
no pullback.
Bruh, that's what I'm saying. I was long at 9. Hold on. Wait. I was long at 943. Well, my first one was 940. And then no. My first one was 939. And then it was 943. Long from 940, you would have been, I mean, from that area, GG's.
Yeah, yeah.
Like,
So if you're green on the day, you had Trump speaking, you had some volatility at the open chat. You're up. You're up. You're green. Green is green, guys. So money actually, thank you. I made $500 in 2 days because of the live. Hey, give me a solid. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you know what to do. We rock out Monday through Friday. We got 1,900 likes on the stream, guys. Give me a solid. Hit the like button. Give it over 2,000 every day. So trying to keep the streak alive.
that boy went and got that boy G Weezy. That's crazy. Yo, what happened? Like I said, realistically, if everything played out, we would have got 174 to about the 250, 250, 240, 250 area. This whole next part, I would have still just been like, yo, what?
There you go. It snapped 25,472.
All right, I'm getting hungry too, cause what do we? I told you, look at this, boy. Don't play with that nasty nice gang. Nasty nice to fill the gap. You think shit's sweet? You think shit's sweet, gang?
Got 13 minutes left on the current 15-minute candle, which would line up perfectly with the close of a 1-hour candle. So,
But yo,
yeah. So I think most people, yeah, if you're going opposite of what the trend is,
oh no, brother, if you're trying to sell this, you're dead. Nah, I wish. I don't. I know. I didn't get no sell today. No sell today. I ain't do no dumb shit like that today. Sometimes I do. Not today. If I would have looked back and seen the short today, I would have been like, whoa, what the fuck? Hold on. You can't see not one short today. I ain't gonna lie. I don't, not even right here. This was before the market even goddamn open. So yeah. Any short today is a hell nah. On the look back. It's an extreme no go. No shorts for me. It's too longs, honestly. Too longs. But yeah, nah, you was trying to short this. Mm-mm-mm. I mean, you know it was people trying to short this shit. I mean, at every way. I mean, all the way, the whole way up. Damn. Like even right here, like, oh, why didn't it give me something? It just gave me nothing. Gave me shit wicks, shallow pools, and shit wicks. Yeah, no, I mean, you can't do nothing but what he say. I can't help but wait. Cause what are you gonna do with this? Seriously, bro. On G, the gap getting filled.
it's gonna gonna get filled, guys. It's just a matter of when, right? We know that. That's how price works. But I would not be surprised if it just pumps up and fills that 650 here. Yeah.
Like honestly, even if we was like it don't even look like we supposed to go down like off this. Honestly, just don't. This look a little wild. Hold on. Let me see. We could be going back. Yeah, like I said, we definitely could be going back up. We definitely going back up. Yo, let me get something. You got that? Mm.
He thought a game that he was
I
playing,
found
some
my
game
goddamn
he was
glasses.
watching. Oh, he's not gonna be playing tonight.
Mm.
I'm like, oh, he's back to back.
Smell good.
Yeah, he was balling last night, guys. Pretty
Smell good. Look good, Gary.
Played Denver last night. Saw some of that. And
The fuck?
Ron Kosh
What are we
was bringing,
doing?
yo.
What are we
man.
doing?
Gay Pro said, Pyro said he over leveraged today. Oh man, yeah, that happens, chat. Right, it happens. You just gotta
Hey.
brush it off and figure out how to come back stronger. A video of your top-down analysis would be clutch. T. Williams, yeah, there was some positive feedback based off of the video we dropped yesterday. We did a daily recap and pretty much did a top-down analysis. So keep an eye out. That's going to be coming daily, chat.
12 degrees where my dog stay at.
Actually, breaking down what I see in the market, talking through it, and
Pooh.
stay tuned. But I saw a lot of positive response on that recap video from yesterday.
That's all crazy. 12 degrees?
Take me for a ride, D-Money.
Ha.
Are you a female or a male?
You gotta be joking.
Let's go.
He talking about some take me on a ride. Are you a female or a male? GG.
For me to take you for a ride if you're a male. I mean, right? Just can't be a random guy. Come on, man. If you're a female, I would prefer it.
But he said both.
So,
Oh my god, that comment was too fast back, bro.
So, well, 50 is the gap area, right?
Hey.
The gap area that everybody sees on the chart.
Hey, baby.
Doesn't mean
Lay, lay,
there's
baby.
a lot of bullish momentum, Jack. There's a lot of bullish momentum.
Bro, this joint strong as a oxtail, bro.
It could happen. It's a possibility.
I love you. Ooh, boy, that bit all the screaming. What's wrong, baby? You go.
If you're a female, you need to be pretty. Preferably. But you know what they say, beauty's in the eye of the beholder. So.
You right about that? Watch out, baby. Go in there.
So, yeah, guys.
Just waiting and watching.
You're not taking.
Listening to Deep Money.
You're not talking to anyone right now.
We ain't really got nothing going on.
No, I am not. The money's single. Ready to mingle. Let's go. Oh man. So you don't use ticks? No, I do not use ticks. I do not use ticks. Gotta do Ginger just said we gotta do the D-Money dating show, guys. Oh man. It's very interesting. Alright, so price is kind of grinding higher to the upside, chat.
Grinding.
Had, Trump speaking today.
Jesus.
In the market, we just tapped 25,486.
What happened, Chad?
Where you feel comfortable getting in before retracement happens, guys. And that's kind of like where I'm at, right? So like the higher we get
Yo,
away
like,
the further we get away from
what? Yo, the NASDAQ is wicked, bruh.
Setting myself up for
Why did we just
stop loss?
boom?
So,
Wait, boom. I mean, I guess we kind of had to.
right now we're about 110 points away
From filling the damn gap.
from the 14 EMA on the 5-minute chart, guys. And at some point,
probably
we
that
know
too.
that we're going to get some kind of pullback. You just got to be patient enough to wait for it to kind of build out, maybe to go higher. So
Yeah.
but
We
yeah,
waiting.
it's top 486.
We're gonna wait for a little while. I ain't gonna say we waiting because it's damn near already. It's already 11 o'clock now.
Upside, it's pushing.
And it's kind of like, okay, we did this, right?
25,538 is the 50 EMA. So that's a level of interest.
I really stopped asking myself, like, definitely, like,
The next basically price target.
how much
Yeah,
longer
so
it got, but you definitely got to be like, yo.
48 guys, like that range is probably the next price target if we're going to continue pumping to the upside, because that's a 200 EMA on the 1 hour chart.
Like, how much realistically can this 4-hour candle be? It's already up 0.60. Look at some of this. Oh, damn, this was 0.88 with a wick.
To be put in on a higher time frame.
So that was kind of crazy.
And it's going to continue to pretty much push
oh
up, right?
Shit, okay, it can do some damage. This is 1.7% in a candle.
So that means that, okay, so now I go to the 1 hour chart.
1.48. Okay, so we can definitely do some damage, right? 1% with a wick. Ooh, shit. Ooh, shit. What day was this? 4%. Damn. 3.94%, bro. Okay, so yeah, we can definitely do some damage, but that was.
You called it earlier. If NQ gets above 440.
Damn, nah, the 4-hour get wicked. 275 on the upside.
On the higher time frame.
That shit took me the fuck out. 394.
This could be the pullback. Yeah.
What happened that day?
I mean, if you're looking to get long,
like, what the fuck was this day? Thursday? Damn. Damn.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You've had 9 bullish.
This is actually a regular ass candle compared to this. Like, this same candle right here was 0.64. That's what this one is. Well, almost 0.55. So almost, but yeah.
You probably can expect some kind.
You don't even see that bitch in there, huh? You don't even see that little ass candle. Let me get that shit right. Whoa. That move my shit. This candle right here before this big ass drop. That shit 0.64. So yeah, that's essentially what this looks like. 0.57 right now. But yeah, what, bro?
How's it been going, D-Money? Josh? Yeah, it's going good. So
that wasn't good.
Green,
that shit said,
right?
oh,
so
it drove right the fuck up.
$2,100 on the day. So had one losing trade. It was a winning trade, but I decided to hold it because I wanted the momentum to step in, and had to close it out and re-enter on longs. That's trading, right?
Oh my god. Okay. Hourly's about to end here in about 1:40. Let's see what it does here. Let me go get me something to eat real quick. Since they want to make it, they want to do this shit today. They want this to die. I told you it's gonna be a long day. I felt it. I felt it.
On the pullback, I kept trying to short on the mini pullbacks. Yeah. So that happens, right? Like sometimes you gotta kind of let the market kind of show you its hand and kind of go from there. So, and what I mean by that is every sell-off today, guys, is getting bought right back up. Every pullback. I mean, you had this triple bottom down here on the 5-minute chart. You had a pop, you had a pullback, got bought up, right? You had a pop all the way up to the high up here, 25,258. You had a pullback, got bought right back up. This little pump to the upside, new high put in, pop above it, retracement, bought right back up, right? So you got to kind of see that and And you know what happens, chat? So I'm kind of saying like, hey, we're super bullish and momentum stepping in, but you got somebody out there as well that's like, hey, well, they're probably like, oh, you know what? We've had 5 candles in a row that are green. Let me short this, right? And that's not gonna, all you're doing is fighting the higher time frame. So that's why you have to look at the higher time frame, because if the higher time frame is bullish and you got nice size wicks on the bottom on a bullish push to the upside, like you got nice bottom wicks, you got it price. So look at how these EMAs, chat, are curled to the upside, right? See how they're curling up? So that's basically telling you that that's forming a bullish EMA cross on the higher time frame, chat, and that's extremely bullish. That's extremely bullish. Like, you don't want to fight that. I mean, you can fight it if you want, but more times than not, that account is gonna be gone. Because if you look at the 30-minute chart, you got a clear bullish EMA cross to the upside. The EMAs are very well spread apart. So there's nothing right now telling me to be short bias. Does that mean we want to get pullbacks? No, it doesn't mean that. It just means that the overall trend is very strong to the upside, guys. Four-hour candle is still bearish. Somebody said the 4-hour candle is bearish. Are you looking at, you're looking at NQ? I don't see the 4-hour chart being bearish. I see bullish momentum. I mean, I'm not trying to be funny here. I'm just like, how do you see that the 4-hour chart's bearish? I mean, I'm being honest. I'm not trying to be funny, guys. So I don't see, we're above the 14 EMA. We're approaching now. All right. So notice, chat, we are having a little bit of a struggle here, right at that daily level, right? So that 25,472. Remember, that's the daily high from yesterday's candle, and I kind of said that that's right. That would be like if you were long and you held it all the way up to 472. Me personally, I would be taking profit. Right now, that doesn't mean that we can't pump and fill the gap, but those daily levels, those previous daily candle levels, guys, highs and lows, tend to get swiped, and then that's where retracement starts. And that doesn't mean that that's 100% of the time, but that happens quite often. So I would be, if I held it all the way up to 472, chat, I would be taking profit. That's just me personally. And then I would wait for a deeper retracement to try to get long again. Somebody said 4-hour candle is extremely bearish. Yeah, right. Do I trade the retracement, Henrietta? I'm not really interested in the retracement, only because it's like, what if it gets bought back up, right? Because the trend is so strong to the upside that I really don't want to try to guess that it's gonna, oh, this is the start of a retracement back down, right? I'd rather try to join the trend long, and that's just me, because that kind of forces me to overtrade, because then you know what's gonna happen if it snaps back. If it snaps back on me the opposite direction, it continues higher, I'm gonna be pissed off. And I'm gonna try to chase it, right? So then I'm gonna go on tilt. I've done that plenty of times, guys. This entire move because of the work call, yeah. Guys, I used to trade when I was at Walmart and Target, right? I used to try to, oh man, I got to trade today, right? And then guess what happens? My boss walks in. 4-hour, 5-hour walk, guys, and next thing I know, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, no lunch and no trades. So I've been there, trust me. I know the pain. Man, the fun to trade NQ, I love you. I love you. Somebody said, they posted this a couple times, chat. They said, what's my trading story? Well, I've been trading for over 10 years. just to kind of give you a quick breakdown. I've been trading over 10 years. I've traded pretty much everything: stock options, penny stocks, forex, and now futures. So I've tried a lot of strategies out there. The only thing that pretty much stuck with me was leveraging the higher time frame.
This shit ain't really hit for real.
Looking for momentum in the markets. I leverage the EMAs as confluence. So if the market is bullish, I want to see price above the EMAs on the 5-minute chart with a bullish EMA cross, and I want to see price respecting the EMAs. That kind of gives you an example, and you kind of notice today, when price got a momentum to the upside, it never closed back below. Notice how price.
That's why those don't eat cereal no more.
Below the 14 EMA. Right? No closure.
The milk good as hell though.
Actually, since the open chat, we've not had a close below the 14 EMA since 9:30 this morning. You have wicks below it, but it price reacted back the opposite direction.
Cereal was weak though.
So that kind of tells you that it's going to be a
Definitely for kids.
price is going to ground to the upside, right? See how we're getting this sell-off, guys?
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, we doing something.
Pullback is expected. You've had
Shit ain't about to do shit. About to see though.
9
And Miss Cold in here.
So this is starting like a pullback here. And if you want to get long,
Hold on, wait.
this is healthy. Because price typically needs some kind of pullback to continue higher. So you want to see this pullback. What I want to see to have to get back long, be interested in longs. So basically, you want to see similar to something like down here. All right, see this pattern, guys? As of right now, it's kind of forming. Very interesting, though, because it's right at the previous daily candle high. See how over here we had the bears, we had a push to the upside. We had 2 bearish candles. And then we had this set up here with a nice bottom wick. This pattern so far is kind of forming right now, again. You can kind of see that, right? Push to the upside, you had highs put in, you had 2 bearish candles, and now you got expansion back up here. So this could be the start of the next leg up. See how this candle closes. All the traders that didn't get in long will be looking for opportunities. Don't short y'all. Yeah, I agree. For me to be short biased, guys, I need to break down below 25,400. That's below the 14 EMA on the 5-minute chart, right? Got about 2 minutes and 40 seconds left on this current candle. So I'm gonna wait and see how this 5-minute candle closes out. If you haven't already, guys, do me a solid. Hit the like button if you're not subscribed to the channel. We rock out Monday through Friday, guys. We're out here trying to make a little money. $2,100 likes on the stream. I'm actually humble, guys. A lot of support. So I'm gonna go cry this weekend, Chad. I'm gonna cry off screen. So you told me to hold it in until I'm off screen. So it's gonna build up and gonna have a cry.
Talk about that boy good.
I don't want to cry in front of her. She's gonna think something's wrong, and I'm crying tears of joy. So let's go. Money, you're a natural at this streaming. Hey, I appreciate that. I don't know my guys. My friend Joe, he's my daughter's godfather. I'm a godfather to his daughter as well. And guys, I was streaming basically on Zoom with like 5 or 6 people every other Sunday. Just trying to kind of break down how I read the market. And believe it or not, kind of cray, right? Now I'm streaming in front of thousands of people every day, so.
Like what?
Crazy, man.
Like what? They definitely be doing this shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
How has your financial change since you trade full time? Yeah, I mean it's guys, I get paid to be here, right? So BW says it on top. He's like, these money's not here for free, guys. Like, I got bills to pay too, like everybody else. So obviously I get paid to stream chat. That's why I said this is a dream job. I'm basically doing I'm literally doing my dream job. Like I can't even
Right.
like say it
Like
together.
trading and streaming, bro.
Get paid to trade and get paid to stream, guys. D-Money, you're an anointed, humble man. Love you, bro. Hey, I love you too. I love you. So, yeah, 5-minute candles is bearish, chat. So I would not be looking for a long right now. Just closed out bearish on the 5-minute chart.
Excuse me.
Maybe there's more downside coming. Henrietta, I believe her name, I think that's the username. Henrietta.
15-minute.
You know, would I be looking for a short? So if you took a short,
It's a 15-minute.
72, you're up 20 points. But for me, you know,
We are at this gap area.
Trying to stay with the trend, guys, because a lot of times, like I said, price will snap back the opposite direction.
So
And you're more frustrated because you're like, man, why didn't I just stay long bias and wait for momentum to kind of step back in the opposite direction? So, but if you took a short, you're probably up over 20 points. Let's go. Long time coming. Yeah, so this current 5-minute candle looks really good so far. But I mean, for me, how I trade, I would have to wait for this candle to close out because that could be a fake out as well, right? It could easily be pushing up right now to form a top wick and then drop lower. So, but I would say for long chat, if price can retake 25,472 with conviction, maybe pop the previous high of, and it's doing that right now, then that's probably telling you that bulls are trying to step back in, guys. Go higher.
right. I think even the slightest. I think that's what's been happening. The slightest pull is getting bought. But
I mean, you got a lot more volatility typically. Right? A lot more moves that happen, bigger moves. You guys saw that. You've been seeing bigger trades from D-Money, right? Some 50-point trades, 40-point trades, 30-point trades. It just there's more volume. There's more volatility in the morning typically, chat. So in the afternoon, you gotta be agile. You gotta take what you can get. A lot of times that's 10 points. And to be honest, sometimes even in this session, you gotta be content with 10 points, right? If price is ranging, as an example, there's nothing wrong, in my opinion, with taking 10-point scalps. Just being honest. What would I want to see here before entering? Yeah, that's what I was just saying, right? So you're picking up momentum on a 5-minute chart. I see that. So this is, I would have to say that bulls are back in charge, guys. If this candle closes the way that it's looking right now, pop the previous candle's high, put in a higher low, and look at this. Yeah, bulls are back in charge, guys.
bulls are back in town.
2 minutes left on this current candle.
Bulls are back in town.
I would have to say that bulls are probably back.
After this shallow doggone flag they just gave out. And catch this last flag, gang. If you don't catch this flag, it's it. So we could very well be done today because we're just not getting the setup. We're not getting the pool. So it's honestly right here, you know, you just buy and hope it goes higher, but I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I did it. Not probably this extreme. This shit then went up the whole morning. So if you ain't bought then, like, you gonna buy now? And hope it go to the gap fill? I mean, anything's possible. Anything is possible, so I guess, but I'd much rather join trend here and then fill the gap with me. You know what I'm talking about? Fill the gap with me.
All right, so we back. So this is why you wait for candle closures. Because you can kind of see the yoke. Right back down. Let's go. This is why you want to wait, guys. You got a retracement so far of 34 points. So I'm not convinced for a long, obviously right now, right? You got a 40-point pullback. Where's Jerome? Jerome is probably somewhere punching the air, guys, because he saw the G-Wagon video. Let's go. Gotta love family. Crazy, man. Keep an eye out, guys. The editor told me that there's gonna be some Jerome footage from last week from him making an appearance. That's gonna be up on the channel pretty soon. So if you haven't met Jerome, you're gonna meet him. Never know with this guy. So he's still on the run, guys. So I guess apparently he broke into the BDH Friday. Told PW to fire the security guard, guys. He was out there eating a Krispy Kreme donut.
You dudes here, bruh. Bruh, it's funny because this dude don't even be breaking no goddamn smile. Like, bruh, like, this dude is a character.
Yeah, I do not. I used to and didn't have a lot of success with it. A lot of fake outs for me. So some people trade it and they got good success, but I'm not a 1-minute trader. You got to know yourself. So price is kind of, so this is a V-shaped recovery, guys. It's kind of happening on the 5-minute chart right now. You see how you had a push to the upside, you had a retracement. Now we're trying to push higher. You got some higher lows be put in on the 5-minute charts so far. So that's very interesting, chat. Somebody said, can they apply for the security guard job at the BDH? I'm not sure if you want to. This is the thing I'll tell you. So, prepared to fight Jerome. He tried to break in. Might need a tetanus shot. Based on the condition of that afro, guys, that Jerome has, I would probably say that you'll probably need to go get a rabies shot if he latches onto you. So, are you prepared for that? That's the question.
Might be latches on to you. Like, what are we doing though, bro? Like, what are we doing?
Yeah, I mean that's a level I was kind of talking about earlier, right? 25,534. It's a possibility. You just see momentum to kind of pick up here. Every pop right now temporarily is being sold back down on the 5-minute chart. So that's not, if you're a bull right now, you don't want to see that. It's like some weird price action going on. You got a high that was put in on the previous 5-minute candle that broke out to 25,494.25. And then now you got a retracement back down, right? So that it's kind of like you want price to get going with momentum. But yeah, that level is not out of the question if momentum picks back up.
So yeah, right now, chat, just waiting and watching. To be honest,
25,494, guys. That's the level that you want to see. And what I would want to see right now, guys, is a nice body on a bullish candle. Nice, because look at this previous 5-minute candle. I mean, it started off great. It was super strong, guys. And then look at the close of the candle. You got a very small body. So that's telling you that not a lot of bulls were able to keep price higher, right? So this could be the start of it. I'm not saying it can't be a nice little V-shaped recovery happening to the upside, but you definitely want us back above 472 with conviction. That's the previous daily candle's high. That's mapped out on the chart. And this tends to happen after a big pump, chat. I mean, because if you measure from 930, kind of measure this move out, you had a swipe of the lows at 940, and you had expansion to the upside, guys. So the overall move was like 358, 300 actually, and 66 points roughly. So after that happens, sometimes you kind of get this, right? You get some kind of stalling, you get a range that forms, etc. Before continuation. Can you at least make it black? This gray screen looks so girly. Aaliyah, that would be a no.
Like what? What are you saying?
So your chart looks how your chart looks, right? I mean, I'm not trying to be rude, but I'm not gonna change my chart like color. Still looks girly. But nevertheless, I still love you. I mean, everybody's entitled to their opinion, guys. To be honest, I don't even feel insulted or anything. To be honest, it's just like I don't. Chat, you guys know that. Like I don't let stuff like that get to me, but I'm not gonna change my chart because you don't like. I understand that. Okay, the screen was bright on a white screen, guys, but now that it's gray, it's too girly. So I mean. Oh yeah, she's not riding the G-Wagon.
Oh yeah, she's not riding the G-Wagon.
Oh
man. Oh my god, bro.
It's never enough. Yeah, it's cray. It's cray with little Ray. I know. I agree. Yeah, guys, I got just telling you that gray is anything is masculine, guys, and not girly, but to each his own. Either way, we out here rocking out, chat. We got a little bit of a pullback here happening on a 5-minute chart. And we cannot pick up momentum, and that's what I was kind of saying. So notice, chat, how look immediately to the left on candles. Look at these previous 5-minute candles on the way up.
So it's either this now, like I know a lot of people were shorting this shit. I know a lot of people were shorting this shit. That's why it went up the way it did. So now is people burnt out and we just gonna get us a smooth little pullback go or what? Like, you know what I'm talking about? Like, or no. No. Go.
Congrats on your new vehicle. Hey, I appreciate that, guys. Yeah, I said that earlier, Chad. I don't want it to come off at all. If I didn't read your comment on live stream, or if I didn't, I tried to like as many tweets on X, guys, or posts on X that I could. There's a lot of congrats and well deserved, and I'm happy for you and like all that stuff, guys. I appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. If I didn't like directly comment, guys, it's not on purpose. I'm not trying to be arrogant or anything or any of that. It's just that there's so many chat and there's so much like positive response that it's hard to catch everything. So I appreciate it, chat. Does TW take a cut of your trading profits?
Nigga, what?
No, he does not. That would be a negative.
Cut of your trading profits. What y'all boy talking about? Like, what do y'all really said?
Appreciate the call out today.
No, my bad. It's all the way off the screen. What do we? Yo.
Off and looking for something around 12, 12:30. Oh, heading off and looking for something around 12, 12:30 OG Turbo. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Yeah, price has kind of stalled a little bit, chat. It has kind of stalled out a little bit. This is to be expected right at a daily level, and I kind of talked about that earlier. So, you know, got to be patient. Let price kind of figure out which direction they're going to take it now, right? We had a huge momentum pump over 300 points to the upside, guys. So this could be expected, right? Maybe some kind of stalling, and then they try to push price higher.
Ah.
From the 930 low, over 350 points. So that's expected, guys, that we kind of stall out a little bit, and maybe we get a deeper retracement. No worries, you are not. You are so not arrogant, and a reason why we like you. Hey, I appreciate that. It's in me, chat. So yeah, you got a retracement here. Nothing to kind of write home about right now. We had a huge pump. So if you're a bull, you want a deeper retracement probably. That's healthy at this point. I know that there's a lot of people out there looking for that gap fill from last week, guys. Or sorry, from Sunday night going into Monday open. But that does not mean it has to happen right now. We got a lot of time left on the trading day. It's only 11:26 Eastern Standard Time. So let's rock it out here, guys. Do me a solid. We got over 3,500 people tuned in. Where are you trading from, guys? We haven't done that in a while. Where are you trading from? Obviously, I'm here in sunny South Florida. Well, it's not sunny today. Got overcast, but let's go. We got Sweden, Mexico, Vegas, Austria, Toronto, Houston, ATL, New York. So ATL, you probably seen Jerome running around. Lucky you. Amsterdam, Port St. Lucie, nice. St. Pete, New Brunswick, Canada, Malaysia, Tampa, Bangladesh, let's go. South Dakota, Miami, Minnesota, Finland, Venezuela, Brazil, Waco, Texas, Ontario, Australia, let's go. El Salvador, Nebraska. Best place in America, DC. Okay. Hungary, Iraq, Chicago, Germany, Republic of Texas. Is that okay? Hawaii. Never heard of Republic of Texas. Greece, Puerto Rico. What up? D-Money G-Wagon? No, you're not. Javier, let's go.
Bye.
South Africa.
Amen.
In the house. America. Utah, Haiti, Lithuania, Kuwait, wow, Tennessee, Birmingham, Colombia. Nice. Yeah, it's always interesting, guys. Chile, Buffalo Beach, Poland. Somebody said Tim's house.
You probably can't do it. Your hand ain't big enough.
Yeah. You headed there to check on him, I guess. Wow. He's getting home care now, apparently, guys. He's home. He's at home. He's on bed rest. The doctor put him on bed rest, guys. So somebody went there and checked in on him and jumped on the chat. He's still, hey, Tim, I appreciate you, man. You're still logged into the streams. Let's go. North Korea. Even on the deathbed, he's logged in. Oh, man. Somebody's tuned in.
Amen.
I appreciate it.
MJ time.
Captain Dominican, guys. Let's go. Back of the D-Wagon.
Damien. What's up, bro?
Yeah, guys. Hialeah, let's go. So I'm always humbled, chat, by man. You got people literally tuned in from all across the globe, guys. So I appreciate that. Definitely humbling to see that, guys. I appreciate the support. Yeah. So price is kind of stalling, guys. If you're a momentum trader, you don't like what you're seeing right now because we're stuck in a range. Right below the 25,472 area. Kind of stuck in a range, right? 50 point range right now we're stuck in. So something's gonna happen. It's a matter of waiting until it does. Either
Hey.
for deeper retracement.
Yo, be careful, bro.
Break
Trying
out
to get
this
outside.
range with momentum.
What's
to the
up? You
upside.
okay?
So I would probably lean on saying that if I'm long biased, I want a deeper
Y'all
retracement
share it.
to the downside before going.
You know how to use it, Lele?
That's what I'm home about right now.
Let me see. Hold on, MJ. Let her share real quick.
D-Money, did your barber ever tune in? I would probably lean towards a no.
Let's see, put on MJ.
So, we're going to shout him out again, guys. Shout out
What's your
to
hand? Hand though.
Single free. Let's go. I love you.
Oh.
I gotta do it so.
You gotta do it so.
Thank you, Shay.
Wait, MJ. MJ, turn your hand around.
Looking to meet up with the 14.
MJ hand not straight, that's why.
Right there. So that 25,431.
Oh.
That's the level that that's the 14.
What I say?
Too fast, bro. Too fast.
Taps and maybe even a little lower, guys.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Maybe a higher lower. Go pick handle
That's
in
it.
the opposite direction.
I do it like this. So. This one is.
Too quick going to great clips.
I picked up in it.
Hey, when you write, you write. Yeah, I don't go to great clips, guys. I go to Miguel, the Fine Image Barber Salon. Let's go. Giving them a plug
Oh.
for free.
Curve.
What is that?
Or advertising. Why do you not trade gold? Yeah, I mean, you gotta be able to you stick to what you're comfortable with and what you're good at. To be honest, I never could get momentum going in gold. I've actually had more success trading silver at night chat than gold. So I'm just being honest right now. Gotta know what you're good at. Have your barber with you when you're live streaming. Yeah, he's making money, Jack. He's out there making money. He's grinding, right? So he's not gonna be on the stream. Jerome night stream with silver. Yeah, I know, right?
So now, chat, we're definitely getting a pulley.
Overall, happy with the session, chat.
But
So I think there's not much going on here. You got a retracement on the 5-minute chart. Somebody kind of said how many people use the 14 and 50 EMA or the 14 EMA. Guys, the EMAs is a preference thing. There's no right or wrong. You got to decide what works best for you. I know PW uses the 9 and the 21. I mean, that's what he likes, right? So there's nothing wrong. There's no right or wrong, chat. I leverage the time frame, and after doing some back testing and all that, it works really well with the higher time frame. So that's why I use the 14, 50, and 200 EMA. To each his own. What's the P&L on a day? Yeah, I'm actually up over $2,100 on 3 accounts.
I used 1450 in the VWAP. The VWAP.
So yeah, I'm feeling pretty good, chat.
And on the woman, I used the 9 and the 20. I believe. Yeah, 9 and a 50.
Was able to once price. I was long biased at the start of the session, and he had a pretty
9 and a
bad
50,
price on
14,
the
50, and then the
open range
VWAP.
trade, if you want to call it that, right? 100+ point move to the downside, and then a yoke back the opposite direction. So once I saw that, I just started taking long, riding the momentum. Pretty much it. Miguel should be the next guest. Yeah, he doesn't cut hair on Mondays, guys. So that's his only day off. So I don't think that's gonna happen, right? Because I'm pretty sure he wants to rest up on Monday. So it's just a nice little running joke that we got going on right until he joins the stream. So watching one of them.
Probably looking for somewhere to hold around 25,400 area. Looking for a hold in that area there.
Do you do afternoon streams anymore? I would say stay tuned on that. So, PW streamed Power Hour yesterday at 2:30. Chat. We're gonna be mixing things up a little bit this year. Trying some different things and stay tuned, right? So I think the PW, so I know tomorrow and Friday, chat, he has a fishing tournament. So I imagine I'm pretty sure he's probably gone for the day, right, Junior? More likely. Yeah, so but I know tomorrow and Friday he has a fishing tournament.
Here.
Yeah,
400.
So yeah, he said
and this 5-minute don't really have no top wick.
So
I mean, it's 15-minute.
More than likely today, chat. But stay tuned to the channel. You'll get an alert if you subscribe.
And no bottom wick.
I'll be back tomorrow at 9 a.m.
It does on the hourly.
Well, it sounds like next week we're gonna.
But not really on the 15.
You got both of the traders next week, guys. You got PW and myself. So let's go.
Could be going down to the VWAP here. Let's watch it.
Somebody said it's a hard sell. Yeah, it's selling off right now. So I know Marquita was talking about that, like the long. So this is what you want to see if you're a bull, chat. You want to see a deeper pullback, and if you kind of notice, we could just never get momentum above that 25,472, right? We could never, the momentum died off, and now we're selling back down. So shorts would have played over 100 points to the downside off that 25,472 level.
Yeah, but fuck that.
Love when you guys try to make suggestions. The man just got a G-Wagon doing what he does. That's the problem with the traders. Yeah, I mean, you have to have an opinion in the market if you're taking trades. I just, if you're long bias, guys, like for me, you would probably want to see price
what
down here. Form, like I said, right? Maybe a higher low.
I think it's just early. I honestly, I don't know. I definitely think this is some bullshit.
Right now, yeah, if you short it right off that 25,472 level, you're feeling good.
I think we're going to the V.
But, like I said, I was content because I took longs and kind of rode some of that momentum, guys. I'm content with that, right? Not gonna force anything just to force it. When will you announce the winners of the giveaway? What giveaway are you referring to? Because we didn't have a giveaway today. D-Money, what indicators do you use for that hairline? Yeah, the 1450 and the 200 EMA. Only prop firms giveaway?
345.
You referred to a couple of days ago that the winners were announced on that. We had 3 winners.
345.
But we did not have an only prop firm giveaway today. PW said giveaways next week when we're doing the dual screen. So there was no giveaways today. Unless BW said something, like I don't want to give wrong information, guys. If he said something on his screen, then that's different. I mean, we can reach out on that, but like I did not. There was no giveaways on my screen today. So was that on PW screen?
I'm looking at this 4 hour. I'm just like, wow. Like, wow.
Somebody said they
Like, wow. Just all for not, huh? Just get back the whole candle, huh?
chat. Ninja made an appearance last week. If you missed it,
I don't know. Like I said, I know they gotta suck the D in, penetrate the bigs.
We had Jerome.
Fake out. Definitely gotta do a fake out. So you gotta make it seem like we're going down if we're going up. And it definitely seems like we're going down. You know what I'm talking about?
You never know what you're gonna get. Rocking out with deep money, so looking forward to the rest of the year, guys.
So I'm looking for some VWAP touches. Probably we definitely got to stay above the VWAP here. Got 20 minutes left on this hourly, so this is about to be very, very interesting, my friend, buddy. Do we finish off this candle? Because we can very well get this back in 2 hours. I don't think that's how the candle's going to end by far.
Yeah.
18 minutes left on this, on the hourly, so.
We need to know. Need clarification. Do you have an Instagram? I'm trying to follow you. Yeah, I'm more active on X. So, but my social guys, you can follow me on X and Instagram. It's Demarius Trades NQ. I'm dropping that in there right now. I'm close to 2,000 followers on X, guys. Kind of crazy. When I started, I mean, I probably had 20, maybe 15. AB Money, we're trading in Boca. You local. I live in South Florida. I live in downtown Fort Lauderdale. Nice car. Hey, I appreciate that. Yeah, guys. So I mean, prices we're selling down here. Right? You gotta
looking like an inside day.
Bull step back in. Start showing you some green candles, maybe with long wicks at the bottom, maybe bullish engulfing, etc. Right? So right now, if you're a bull, there's nothing to do. You want to wait for this sell off to kind of taper off a little bit and look for momentum to step back in the opposite direction. So there's nothing for bulls right now for bulls for long. Anybody, do you know how to lock your account on TradeAvate so I don't overtrade the rest of the day? Yeah, if you go to your preferences, you click on the little 3 squiggly lines. You go to preferences. Sorry, you go to accounts. You click on accounts and you click on risk settings. And that's going to allow you to set like a daily loss limit, profit trigger, whatever, right? That's how you do it. So you go to the 3.
So yeah, man.
Go to accounts.
Pretty much just watch this junk go up for the last 2 hours.
Daily loss limit, a weekly loss limit, daily profit trigger, weekly profit trigger, etc. Somebody said just log out. Yeah, I mean, AKA, or you could just log out. But that is hard, guys. I'm gonna be real on that. So that question is actually a really good question. And that right there can save yourself a lot of trouble, chat, by locking yourself out. Because yeah, you can log out, but you can also log right back in, right? So, oh, I see something on the chart, right? That's how it starts. Oh, I see something. And you saw something wrong, right? And then all of a sudden you were in profit, you gave it back, and then now you're fighting. What are you looking for your next entry? I'm more than likely gonna wrap it up here, guys, and call it. There's no entry for me right now. I'm long bias. I'm not short bias. So if I was looking for an entry, like I kind of said a couple times, basically I want to see bullish momentum step back in on the chart to go long, guys. And right now you got bearish selling pressure. So that's why I'm saying right now there's nothing for me to do in order to kind of get back long. So I'm gonna call it here, chat. We got a meeting at 12 o'clock. So I'm gonna call it.
GG, D Money.
So I think really good session, chat. I think had a pretty good read on price action. These accounts are up. I'm up almost $2,100 on the day. Right, nothing wrong with that. I'm gonna take that. Be content.
So yeah, chat. Pretty much this and not. I'm trying to see how we're going to. I mean, we got 15 minutes left on it hourly, so I mean, this is crazy. Definitely got stopped right there at the gap fill there. Just never know, you know? Never know until it happens. But yeah, chat, I mean, really just didn't get, like I said, we had our one little setup, and then after that, just really ain't give us no pullback. Just took off all the tops for the day. Took out all the tops on the day, so yeah. That's why them niggas left out. Took my damn phone. Them boys is good. Yeah, chat. Yeah, we're good, man. We'll just come back tomorrow. Come back to see how this 4 hour ends. But yeah, man, I mean, yeah, that was just crazy how we just went up like that for 2 hours, honestly. So, and now when we pull back, we pull back, but then you gotta suck the D in. Just like, damn, bro. 15-minute VWAP 2. All right, chat. See y'all boys tomorrow, man. Yep.